To look at money, profit and loss. I want us to look at basic questions on profit and loss. We want to see how we make profits when we are dealing with money. Profit, we make profit when we make higher sales than the cost. That means the selling price should be higher than the buying price for you to make a profit. Since the formula of finding profit is profit or loss, this is the formula. Profit is equal to selling price minus buying price. Yes, profit is equal to selling price minus buying price. This is the general formula of getting the profit or loss, because not all the time you make profit. So this is the same formula we use to find the loss. We also use this formula. Loss is equal to selling price minus buying price. So when you calculate the difference between the selling price and the buying price, if you find the negative value, that is a loss. But if you find a positive value, that is a profit. So that is our first example. The question states a trader bought a bicycle for 80,000 Kenya shillings and sold it for 9,500. Find the profit and also find the percentage profit. This is how we do it. It is very simple. We said profit is equal to selling price minus buying price. Here we are told the selling price is what? Selling price is 9,500. What about the buying price? We are told that the buying price is 8,000 Kenya shillings. So what is the profit? Profit is selling price, which is 9,500 minus the buying price, which is 8,000. So what's the difference? You will find the profit is 1,500 Kenya shillings. That is the profit. Want to look at the percentage profit. So percentage profit is equals to profit over the buying price times 100. That is the formula. Percentage profit is equals to profit times 100 over the buying price. What is our profit there? It is 1,500 over the buying price, which is 80,000 times 100. What do we have here? These zeros cancel with this one with this one. So we have 15 times 10, which is 150 over 8 remaining 7. So we have here 70. 8 goes to 70 how many times? That is, it goes there 8, which is 64. Remaining 6 over 8, that is 18. If you cancel this one, it will be 3 over 4%. So that is the percentage profit. We have example 2. The question states a shopkeeper bought a radio for Kenya shillings 4,500 and sold it at 3,900. Find loss and find percentage loss. So this is how we do it. It's very simple. The same formula. Instead of writing loss, profit, instead of writing profit, we write loss. You can write loss equals selling price minus buying price. So the selling price is equals to 3,900. The buying price is equals to 4,500. So what will be our loss? We will have 3,900 minus 4,500, and even if we interchange these values, there's no problem. So you can say loss is equals to 4,500 minus 3,900, which will be 4,500 minus that 900 will give us 600 Kenya shillings. That is will be our loss. That is our loss. So what is the percentage loss? What is the percentage loss? Yeah, what is the percentage loss? We are at B. So percentage loss is equals to loss over buying price times 100. Our loss here is 600. The buying price is 4,500 times 100. So if we calculate, whatever we get is the percentage loss. So we can do this way. This one, the 2 zeros cancels. 3 here twice, 3 here 15 times. Then 5 here 3, 5 here 20. And what is that? So we shall be having 2 times 20, which is 40 over 3. That is the same as 16, 2 over 3%. That is the percentage loss. So I hope you have understood up to that point. That is our assignment. The assignment states a merchant bought a bag for Kenya shillings 2,400 and I wanted to make a 25% profit. What should be the selling price? So if you once you're done with the assignment, send your answers to the comment section. Thank you so much. If you like our videos, please remember to subscribe in YouTube and also follow us in Facebook and Instagram.